Protector booth at Macworld. What kind of products do you have this year?
It's called Clear Protector. It's a film that goes on. So once we install on devices and phones, so they can never scratch. So that way, once you get a new iPod, new iPad, new phone, it protects it so it can never scratch again. We install it here. We're doing some free samples right now. iPads, tablets. And one nice thing about our product is lifetime guaranteed. You know, a lot of people ask the difference between us and other devices or other competitors. Ours has a nice glass feel. Others are really sticky, tacky. Ours is 3 times as thin. Most people are 6 to 8 millimeter. We're a 2 millimeter, so it's a lot smoother, and it doesn't interfere with cases. You can put it on; it doesn't peel at the edges, and will never scratch. So your device, once you buy it, put this on, you're done for good.
How do you guys compare to Invisible Shield? A lot of people are familiar with that company. What's the difference between you and those guys?
Well, we actually are. We're pretty much next door neighbors, both out of Salt Lake City.
Okay.
And this is actually Invisible Shield right here. So that's what I'm saying. Theirs is 3 times as thick.
Yeah.
It has a thick orange peel to it. Ours is thinner, smoother. And these are some samples. This is Invisible Shield. This is, and this is. That's what we've taken off of people's today.
Yeah.
And we've replaced it with our product. That's what happens to theirs.
Okay.
Ours never discolors. It never peels. Anything ever.
Very cool. Pricing on these?
$14.99 for a screen, like for phones, $14.99. The entire device, which covers the sides, back, front, $24.99. iPads for the front, $24.99. Back, front, sides, $39.99.
And installation, is it a quick thing? How do you do this? Do you have to turn your iPad off for 24 hours, or? No,
what we recommend, I just installed this one. It takes about 5-6 minutes. Okay. You know, I mean, maybe 10 minutes for a beginner. But you can use it right away. It does take about 24 hours for it to fully harden and cure, but no, you can use it right away. There's no, you don't have to turn it off. You don't have to take your battery out.
Okay.
Some people like to just because they choose to, but you don't have to.
And if you mess up when you're installing, it's easy to try again without getting a brand new one?
I was actually doing it, and within even an hour, Lay came back an hour late because it moved a little bit, so I peeled off its relayed it just today. And so even if you mess up a little bit, it's kind of idiot-proof.
Yeah.
You do it with a wet solution so you can slide it into place, let it dry. If it's not right, you just peel back up, spray it, and relay it again. So
Okay.
no problem at all.
Very cool. Thank you for your time today. This is
thank
fantastic.
you.